G'day guys, it's Mark here from North Oz, and in today's video we're going to be fixing everything wrong with my 2021 Prado interior DIY setup. Since I added the extra weight on top of the drawers with the new fridge, pantry and the slides for them, the drawer system is moving a lot, especially side to side. This is causing a lot of creaks and rattles. To fix this, I'll reinforce the joins with angle brackets. I'll also be putting back one of the seats I removed, which currently has the battery in its place. I'll be relocating the battery to my pantry, and I'll be using the back of the pantry kind of like as a big battery box. The advantage of doing this is that I'll regain another passenger seat, and all of the rear setup will be neatly tucked away behind the second row of seats. G'day guys, it's day 2 of the Prado rear overhaul. Need to go and get one of the seats that I've taken out in the past. I'm going to put that one back in, so I need to go and get that from storage. And we're going to today try and find a different spot for the battery. Hopefully I might try and put it in the pantry, but again, I'm just going to have a little bit of a play around with it and see how it goes. So let's go to the storage, get what I need, and when I come back, we'll start playing around with a few things and see if we can make the setup better. After driving around with the improved setup this week, I'm happy to report the creaks and rattles are gone. A nice little bonus is that by reinforcing the corners, the drawers now shut without a loud bang. Overall, I'm very happy with the modifications made in this video, as it is a much cleaner look and it is what I hoped it would be when I first set out to make a DIY drawer system. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.